Well guys, it's been about a solid year I think since well, not quite, about 7 months since I started this. But I'm not going to use gas, I'm going to use a little bit of this just to get the engine to turn over and stuff. I already tried that. It won't fire, there's no spark, so we'll put a battery in there and crank it over, make sure it don't seize that. That one seized. That one seized over there. So, nothing I can do about it. Okay. I wonder if we even need to check the oil. I don't think you need to check oil on this thing. Well, she smells gassy and she's clean and right on full. This Ford was never burned oil, it just has wore out, you know. We bought it when it was 2 years old. Okay, I just connected the battery and I looked at the carb in there, it's all dried out. But we get a nice dose here. Probably too much. Probably have a nice fire now. Kinda face it towards that way so you can see if there is a fire. It's dark in here, so I don't know if the battery's good or not. The engine turns over and there's oil but no coolant. No brakes either. Wow. They did pretty damn good for, what, 7 months? I left the keys on here. Well, I'm gonna look in the carb here in a minute here. Let's see here. I left the key on, but I want the battery on. Let's see. Any gas in the carb? Not a thing. Wow, that thing fired up pretty good. I'm just worried about backfiring because this thing has backfired in the past. And uh-oh, my camera's making too much grinding noise. Let's put it in manual mode so you don't hear that noise. All right, I was gonna look in there in the the carb one more time here, just to see what she looks like in here. Accelerator pump will most likely leak if it gets gas up there, but you know how that is. I highly doubt any gas will go up there, but I don't want to crank her too much, just a few more times here. Oh, that's going to blow the engine up. Try number 2. That smells like a little bit of oil, maybe. A little bit. It sounds pretty healthy. Man, that thing sounds good. I'm sure the battery ends are, well, they're cold. That's good. Let's see what's in there. I'm not seeing any gas yet. Should use real gas in there though, because it's hard on the engine. Is the manifold warm? Well, I'm just happy it runs. That's all I care. Keep it in restorable condition. I don't have much carb spray left. That's probably enough. I don't want to put too much of that in there. Not good for the engine. Maybe you see a little fire. Maybe, if it doesn't. It smells like it's Definitely burning a little bit of oil from sitting. Well, the gas must be coming up there. Must be. Give it a break here. I've never had a Ford run this good. I think older the better. It's been sitting for 18 years. Nothing's been done to it. There's no gas in there though. So I'll have to, if I want to run it, I'd put some carb or gas in the carb and fill the vents up, but I kind of don't like doing that inside a building, you know. Yeah, there's zero going inside the carb. Accelerator pump would probably start leaking, but I'm just happy it runs. That's all that matters to me. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. That little tank gas, I would have popped some in there, but I kind of hate to do it inside a building because it can get pretty interesting, especially when you do that stuff, you know. Okay. I'd say overall, I did pretty good. There's nothing on the carb there, but I could show you inside here too. Let's give it one more little dose here. Too much, it's not good for the pistons and stuff, but right when I do it, I'll have a nice little fire. Yeah, let's put you down here so you can listen to the engine. The muffler is no muffler anymore. It's gone. Well, anyway, battery's going dead, but what's it smell like? It smells like old gas. But we know she runs now. Man, you're a tough engine, but that thing had no power at all whatsoever. And it's hot. Not at all, but the battery's probably shot. Okay, well, that was a success. I'd run gas in her, but not inside a building. So we ran a little bit of that carb cleaner through there. The tire looks like it's starting to go flat now. I'm gonna smell it. Smells good. Man, that thing, I think that starter's dragging too a bit, it sounds like. Alright, well, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. This was quite a good success. Let's put the battery in here before I probably cooked it already. Roll that one over a bit, because there's no spark, so that one don't seize from my grandma. And I would have liked to roll over that Farmel, but we know that's seized already from the last video. That one has not been started for 18 years, so I'm assuming that one's seized. So before you can start them, you have to put oil in the cylinders and prepare them. I don't feel like messing with them, so that one I know is not seized. But all right, well, I'm very happy. She fired up and tried to fire up, and I don't think there's any gas there. Oh, yeah, there is. I feel gas coming up there. We don't want that, so we'll let her sit now. Alright, well, there you go. F-250 1969 Ford. Old start. I think it's been a year, I can't remember, but seems like it. She wants to live. But we're gonna keep her though. That's why she's inside. We don't want her outside getting damaged and stuff. She's a collector's item. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video, and we'll see what else we can start next.